Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a thermal printer to print eBay 4x6 labels for Pokemon cards. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are shipping Pokemon cards through plain white envelopes like this. How do you actually go ahead and use a thermal printer to print 4x6 shipping labels? Now, the good thing about 4x6 shipping labels is that you can easily just peel them off and stick them onto an envelope like here. And the printer that I'm using is the IDPRT thermal printer. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description, but I love this printer. It's portable, it works, it's handy. Now, the first thing that you want to do is connect your thermal printer, and then afterwards, you want to connect it to your laptop. And then once you actually have an order sold on eBay, you want to purchase the shipping label. But before you actually purchase the shipping label here, you want to make sure that the print format is set to 4x6. If it's not set to 4x6, click on change and then select 4x6. Afterwards, go ahead and purchase the shipping label and download it as a PDF. And then once you download it as a PDF, you want to click on Command P once you open that PDF, and then select the correct printer. So this right here, correct or selected is the IDPRT printer. Change the paper size, which is this option here, to 4x6, and then click on print. So once you print, you can see that it now prints it on the 4x6 shipping label. You can simply just tear it off. And then let's say that this is the Pokemon card that you sold. You can place it into an envelope, close it, peel off the label, and then paste it onto the plain white envelope. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print 4x6 shipping labels using a thermal printer. Now, I'll leave a link to this thermal printer down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.